My name is Brent at language101.com. This is a series of videos on how to make better audio recordings. This video is specifically about how to avoid microphone cord noise. So Andrea, do you know what microphone cord noise is?
Yeah, I mean the object.
So if you do this, okay, I'm going to touch this cord and make it just sort of really excessive. Can you hear how it sounds? Okay, if your body bumps up against your microphone cord, it's going to sound bad, and it's one of the ways that you can easily ruin a otherwise good audio recording. So
that's why a stand-up microphone is really convenient.
A microphone stand really does help, and also you want to remember to keep the cord away from your body and then not do any motion back and forth that might rub on the microphone cord like that and sound bad during your recording. So
when you record, don't move.
Yeah, when you record, don't move. That's a great advice. So if you'd like to learn more about making better audio recordings, please watch the rest of the videos in this series. If you'd like to learn foreign language, please come visit us at Language 101. That's language101.com. Thank you.